Your VW alarm going off randomly is likely due to three main issues: a faulty door microswitch, a failing Siren battery, or software glitches. The door microswitch, located in the door jamb, signals whether the door is open or closed. Corrosion, misalignment, or general wear can cause it to send false signals, triggering the alarm. The Siren has its own battery, independent of the car's main battery. When this battery weakens, it can cause intermittent beeps or full alarm activation. Finally, software bugs, especially after infotainment system updates, can lead to false alarms. Use a VW-specific OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes like 01434, which indicates a microswitch problem. Start with these diagnostics to pinpoint the root cause. If a faulty door microswitch is causing your VW alarm issues, replacing it is a common DIY fix with tutorials available online. For a failing Siren battery, replace it with an OEM battery to ensure reliability. Be cautious of counterfeit batteries from online retailers, as they often cause recurring problems. Try a comfort reset by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This resets the comfort module's memory and clears error codes causing false alarms, often resolving software-related triggers. Regularly clean door contacts and avoid aftermarket modifications to prevent future issues. Remember to check your work by ensuring the alarm doesn't go off anymore. These steps should resolve most common VW alarm problems.